First, open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar. Search for Video Live Wallpaper. Choose a trusted app with good ratings. Then tap Install. Wait for the app to finish installing. Now open the Video Live Wallpaper app. Tap Choose Video. Select the video you want to use from your gallery. After selecting the video, adjust the position if needed. You can also change the scale or enable the loop option, depending on the app. Once everything looks good, tap Set Wallpaper. Now choose Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen, depending on your preference. Wait a few seconds for the wallpaper to be applied. Go back to your home screen to see your new video wallpaper. That's it. This is how you can set a video as wallpaper on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.